everyone. Today we will introduce our installation procedures of our new walk-through metal detector. When we take out all the components from the package, we stand in front of all the material. You can see here is the left, here is the right. So here is the left panel and here is the right panel. And then let's ask Karen to show you all about the components, the details. Okay?
Hello, this is Karen. Today I will introduce our component for our walk-through metal detector. And this is our control unit. And you can see they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 interface of this host. And this is a power plus, and this is the signal plus. Also, this one is for signal. And this is our networking interface. And this is our turnstile functions interface. And you can see they have 6 screws for this walk-through metal detector. And this is for the control unit host, this part and this part. And this is the 2 transoms. This is the front one, this is the backward one. And now we will start to install all the doors.
Okay.
And we put first we should install the front transoms first. Now we have put these 2 transoms together, and now you just need to put the glue and roll. Type it, and that's all. It's okay. And next step, we will install the control unit. You can see there is 2 holes. This is the front transom, and we put this. Also type it again. You can see these 2 signal plus have different lengths, and this is the live one, and you can press it.
You can see the left one is longer than the right plug.
Yes, and this is the right one. Final step, just plus the power plug here. You must keep the power plug is the same when you press the bottom of the power line. Now we can finish it, and now we have stand up the walk-through metal detector, and let's check whether the plug is right or not. And this is firstly, this is the structure signal plug. We'll plug into the right side. You can see they have a label for R, right. And this is the longer signal plug for the left side, and this also have the label for L, light. And this is secondly, this is the power plus this side and this side. Both is okay, but please kindly know we must ensure this top bottom and the bottom plus it must be in the safe side. Okay.
At last, we should make sure one thing. That is the power plug. Here is the top power plug and the bottom power plug. We should make sure that they are in the same side. If you put the power plug on the top, on the right, then the power plug on the bottom should also on the right. If you put the power plug in the left side, and then we should put the power line on the left side. That's it. Okay, then we start the walkthrough metal detector. You can see the red lights. It's doing the sales calibration. Okay, it can work. Okay, that's all. Thank you.